babies. Good morning, babies. Okay, I'm coming. It's hot out now. It's hot out here, bro. Almost fell off the edge. Okay. Let's go feed the birdies. Look how pretty this duck is. I don't even have a name for it. Good morning, ducks. Good morning. Look at Boots hanging out in the back of the truck. He's so silly. Booties! Have you guys ever touched an electric fence? I don't recommend it. I did that the other day and it was not great.